Good morning, viewers. In this video, we'll see the different method for recruitment by the corporate houses. In the regular method, they will go for campus recruitment, so it is not possible to reach to every institute. So the new method started is a pool campus. The corporate house, the company, visit to one institute and students from other institutes are called there as in pool campus. This will give opportunity to other students also to participate in the recruitment process of particular company. Now, as number of students participating in placement activities are getting increased, the company started the new methods for recruitment. Many companies are now looking for candidates with different profiles. They also look for a candidate who is having creative mind, critical thinking, like approaches. So these corporate house started the contest based placement. They organize different contests, and based on the result of this contest, the company will do the recruitment from the participants of these contests. Let us see details of these contests. Mainly these contests are classified into two categories. One is programming related contest, wherein in level 1 it is a mix of technical and aptitude questions. Of course, these days these contests are online only. In the first level, candidate has to appear or attempt the questions which are related to the technical and aptitude categories. Then in the second level, the focus is on any programming language and the candidate will get choice as a C, C++, Java, C Sharp, .NET, Python and so on, where candidates are supposed to write the code for particular program. Maybe in other rounds or few companies will do the testing for other skills like cyber security, digital technologies, cloud computing, likewise based on their requirement, where candidate need to participate into the contest and write a program. This is simple plain programming contest. Apart from this, there is another contest which is basically related to the design, where candidates innovative thinking abilities, critical thinking, creativity will be get reflected. It will start with the first phase of the contest as online quiz. There will be a quiz which will be conducted online and screening will happen through this. Then idea submission round will be there. A problem statement will be given to the candidates which is open to all candidates, and candidates need to submit their own idea for this particular problem. Then candidates are supposed to implement this idea once the idea gets approved. After implementation, you prepare the video of this implementation and upload the video to particular corporate house. The next round will be the interview round and the discussion for your solution, for your views, what you consider for designing this particular solution. And then there will be a final round which is referred as a grand finale. After this grand finale, the competition can extend to pre-placement interview, wherein all participants into the final round will need to appear for a pre-placement interview, or many times they will be given job offers at the end of this final round. So some companies are offering the jobs for the winners of this contest. Some companies are conducting the interviews and offering the jobs. So likewise, there are different organizations which are conducting different contests. Here is a list of organizations and their contest. We'll see in detail one by one. So first is a TCS organization, which is a very well-known organization in IT field in India and which is also known as the major recruiter for every year. And their contest is referred as a Code Vita contest. This contest is carried out in different rounds, and basically these rounds are pre-qualifier, zonal round, then qualifier round, and then grand finale, final round. The pre-qualifier round will be of around 24 hours contest duration, into which participants will be provided 6 hours of time slot to solve the given problem. And this contest pre-qualifier round, students from India as well as from rest of the world are participate into this. Every year they conduct this. The Code Vita questions are basically from C, C++, C Sharp, Java, PHP, Perl, Python and Ruby. Likewise, programming platforms are used. Once the candidate clears the pre-qualifier round, then candidate will enter into the qualifier round. Herein again, top performers from zonal round globally will move into this round. Again here, each participant will be provided 6 hours of time to solve and complete this round. Now candidates who will complete this pre-qualifier round successfully will enter into the grand finale. This difference in earlier round and this round is earlier rounds are online wherein candidate has to complete the requirement from his or her own place or from college, whereas this grand finale will be conducted in TCS office in India. So TCS has many offices overall India, so region wise the grand finale will be conducted in different offices. And top 3 contestants will be declared as a winner of the contest. Basically this contest, as we've seen, it is a programming, but then important programming topics like prime factorials, LMC and HCF, Fibonacci series, matrix rotation, pattern printing, strings related programming, advanced problems on searching, sorting, likewise are also discussed here. Next contest is KPIT Sparkle contest. KPIT Sparkle is an annual national level contest. It cultivates a culture of innovation by inspiring students from STEM streams. STEM means science, technology, engineering and mathematics. KPIT provides the problem statement spanning across topics such as automotive diagnostics, artificial intelligence, analytics, autonomous driving, infotainment, cybersecurity, etc. Along with this, there is an internship from KPIT on offer for promising third year undergraduate and first year postgraduate engineering students. In this contest, that is KPIT Sparkle, students from many premier institutes like IITs and NITs are also participating. The objective of this is spread the culture for innovation at grassroots level and inculcate innovative thinking to identify and solve the real life problems by developing solutions. The next objective is to give an opportunity of rising up to indigenous solutions to the problem faced by our country within the area of mobility and energy. The another objective is to encourage students to generate intellectual property and facilitate them to secure their intellectual property right. The next objective is provide faculty of academic institutes a hands-on experience on problem solving and strengthen the student-mentor bond through this design contest. It encourages students to become entrepreneurs and facilitate incubation across the India. It has got very lucrative awards. Platinum award winner is getting 10 lakh rupees. The gold award is of 5 lakh rupees. There are 2 silver awards of 2.5 lakh each and most popular award again of rupees 1 lakh. So likewise, this KPIT Sparkle contest is based on the submission of solution based on the real life problems faced by our country. Next contest is JP Morgan's Code for Good contest. Here JP Morgan look for technologists to serve as a mentors and subject matter experts as the students code throughout the night developing prototypes solution that addresses the challenges. This Code for Good is a series of hackathons hosted in global technology centers of JP Morgan. During these events, participants spend 12 to 24 hours with employees of JP Morgan developing creative solutions to tackle real world problems. Here, candidates will get a chance to demonstrate how technology can be a greatest tool for solving the social problems around the world. The next contest is Capgemini's Tech Challenge. This is based on two aspects. One is themes and another is regional challenges. Here in themes, you have to pick a challenge from array of technologies, showcase your skills and talent to beat the opponents. Here, the company is offering lucrative cash prizes along with an opportunity to work with Capgemini in India. Along with this themes challenge, there is another concept is regional challenges. Here, distinct regional challenges are identified for students and freshers, which will be a mix of technical and aptitude questions in level 1, followed by coding challenge in level 2 and level 3. Top campus coders will be identified and awarded. Then there are different awards like fastest finger, top 5 language coders, top 5 students in each of the different coding languages are identified and they will be awarded with the cash prize. Likewise, the students will be awarded. Here, the level 1 in this round is a screening phase with MCQs which will be conducted online of 30 minutes duration. In level 2, it is kind of a hackathon where this is also conducted online and of 3 hours of duration. And level 3 is also a hackathon phase coding round. Level 1 is a screening round which will be conducted in MCQ format. It will be of the duration of 30 minutes and objective is to assess your fundamental knowledge for regional challenge. Level 2 and level 3 are hackathon coding phases which also conducted online of 3 hours duration. In level 2 it is of 3 hours duration and level 3 is of 2 days duration wherein you will be submitting the solution within this time. The next contest is Quest's company's engineering contest. This is also related to the testing the innovative mind of the students. This Quest's engineering contest helps students to bring engineering ideas to meet the real life challenges. Participants with highest rank cumulative score. This contest Kodiva is 2 hours duration contest on algorithmic programming languages. Here they will be tested on different criteria as originality, overall quality, optimization of the code and number of test cases passed and overall presentation. Here the participative team will submit the solution and each member has to mention his or her contribution for this development. The next contest is Dassault Systems Akruti design competition. Here candidates has to register as a team and of course the team should be of only 2 members and must be students of any design, technology or engineering colleges in India. The pass out graduates are not eligible to participate in this contest. These 2 participants can be from same engineering year or same department or can different department or even they can be from different colleges also. So that way you have to select your team. Then you have to prepare the product design. The participating team will need to request to access the 3D experience platform and SolidWorks. So basically you have to work here with these technologies. One is 3D experience and another is SolidWorks. So once you request to access, you will be given a license to access these 2 tools and you have to work with your design using these 2 tools. The solution can be related to affordable product for healthcare, is scientific toys designed for kids, water for life. Likewise, different themes will be given wherein you have to provide the solution. Next is a very famous contest which is organized by SAE. The contest is Baha, which is mainly for mechanical and automobile engineers, wherein they have to design a vehicle which will be undergoing different tests. For this contest, the organizers will give you the details about the technical specifications like engine specification, tire specifications, and other specifications. Using these specifications, you have to design and build a vehicle, and this vehicle you have to demonstrate for different tests at the contest venue. Every year, the contest venue will be different.